The iPhone 15 series mega details are finally here. Absolutely shocked. From being delayed till October to the biggest performance upgrade, there is a lot to discuss. But first, we have the best, closest look at the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro's design, as well as some of the color information. It is done finally. Apple says goodbye to the notch for good. Since 2017, every iPhone launch had notch, and finally, it's dying, being replaced by the dynamic island. Now on all iPhones, along with the dynamic island, we have the slimmest bezels on any iPhone ever. As for the size of the dynamic island, it is similar to how it looks on the iPhone 14 Pro series, but it will get smaller on the future iPhones, until we see full bezel-less iPhones. But that day is quite a bit. Other big things are confirmed as well, such as the USB-C port. Any fast charger can now iPhone laptops and other products. Headache is finally dying. Also change the mute switch to the action button. Looks a bit different, and you should be able to customize it and add any functionality to it. Size of the iPhone 15 Pro series have titanium, so they're gonna have a compared to the glossy size that we saw on the 14 Pro series. So that's a big, good design, in my opinion. And finally, 15 series are thicker and thanks to a bigger battery, and no the stag battery, iPhone 15 series. According to latest rumors, that is likely going to happen. 16 series next year. Rumored colors for the non-Pro iPhone 15 series. And here are the colors for the 15 Pro / 15 Pro Max / Ultra model. The new dark blue could be the one taking the lead. And finally, some big news regarding the app. This chip is very important for smartphones in general. The first smartphone chip to be based on 3nm DSM-C process. So it's gonna smoke every chip on the market right now. And apparently, it's gonna be the biggest performance up when it comes to iPhones in general, along with massive improvements in efficiency, or even greater battery life. With all the good that is going on, apparently Apple is facing some issues. Panel production for the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. Last 15 Ultra. The Pro Max actually came out on the market a month later in October, so something like that could happen with the iPhone 15 series this year. So let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Lastly, the war of AI is on. It's been reported that Apple is working on an Apple GBD. It's similar to ChatGPT. It's an AI-powered JAD tool, currently only for internal usage. Maybe in the future, it might get released to the public sometime in 2024. So that's all of this news. A final big goodbye to the notch. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.